unboxing, and usually I able to do the Animoji recording on in the same time that I try to record or just recently record the content, but since I'm not sure, maybe I'm just too lazy not trying to do it as soon as possible, so I basically already got interrupted instead, which definitely I need to take another time, which eventually got another unintentional free time on my music place, which I try to continue because there's still so many video left that I haven't tried to create the emoji. So yeah, I'm not sure what kind of things that I basically want to talk about, because for some reason it's been a while that I didn't try to do this as well, or even the live stream broadcasts, which I basically try to avoid or not prioritizing in order to finish the renaming. So I think that's